Cash App added a new QR code scan. I think it's pretty neat. First, you want to log on. You go to the top right, and there you can see there at the top left, you can just hit it, and this is your code. So people could scan this code in and just pay you instead of typing it all in. It's good for my food truck or any business. And you can just hit the scan down there and you can scan in someone else's code and pay them. So I think this is really neat, you know. So the only thing, we're going to go back, we're going to exit out, we're going to hit there to the top left. That's how you scan somebody code in if you want to pay them or send them something. And that's really simple, you know. So if instead of typing, you just use the QR code, and you can print it out and you can put it on your food truck of somebody there. They just have to scan in right there and enter the amount, and you're done. Okay, I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.